Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Centerville, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide you with all the right services for your move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to move one state over or over several states away, you need the right team to help you. Relocating is difficult and stressful. With professional movers, you have one less thing to worry about. You might think a local move will be easy, and you don't need an Illinois moving company to help. The distance your things have to travel doesn't determine how big the job will be. Regardless of how far you're going, you're still going to need to pack up everything, load it into a truck, and unload it and unpack it at your new location. It's a big job, and professional movers will likely be necessary. With a moving company like 3 Movers, you get the help you need. We streamline the entire moving process to get you settled in sooner. Our team can even get the largest local move done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Centerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.